eat lots of meat and cheese? Do you drink coffee every day? Do you love sugar or use artificial sweeteners? Well, bad news. These are all foods that can seriously throw off your gut flora. In fact, these are just a handful of the culprits you interact with every day that are suppressing your good bacteria and helping bad bacteria thrive and grow inside your gut. Everything from pollution in the air to chemicals sprayed on fruits and vegetables can have a destructive effect on the microbiome in your gut. Luckily, there's one natural food that can restore the balance. Think of it as nature's secret weapon for equalizing the bacteria in your digestive plumbing. I'll reveal this pure raw superfood in a moment, but first, what do these 10 widespread health problems have in common? Embarrassing gas, bad breath, occasional digestive issues, cramping, changes in your mood, painful heartburn, unexpected weight gain, a worsening memory, slow metabolism, a weakened immune system. Believe it or not, they're all signs that your belly has been hijacked by bad bacteria. Too much harmful bacteria are multiplying and spreading throughout your gut, and it's highly likely that they now outnumber the good bacteria living in your digestive plumbing. Not only is your gut responsible for breaking down and storing all of your energy, your gut houses nearly 80% of your immune system. When you realize this, it's no surprise that when your gut health is off, it can have a negative ripple effect on every other part of your body, including your brain. This is something that everyone, from naturopaths to MDs, agree on. In fact, Hippocrates, the father of medicine himself, was a big believer that most health problems start in your gut. Luckily, there's one natural food that will help your gut recover and your good bacteria levels rise. The best part? It's made from a seed that's probably already in your kitchen right now. It's called coriander seed oil, and Activation Products is one of the only companies in the world that makes a pure, raw, edible version of it. This one-of-a-kind seed extract keeps the inflammation and bacteria in your gut balanced. It creates an environment where good bacteria thrive and bad bacteria stay at normal levels. This isn't new news. Coriander has been used as a natural remedy for over 5,000 years. In Europe, coriander oil is recognized for its ability to help promote healthy blood sugar levels. And in the US, it's now being studied for its cholesterol managing benefits. Why not just eat the seeds? Well, the most powerful way to harness the healing benefits of coriander seeds is by crushing them into an oil. Coriander seeds are very small, so as you can imagine, you need to press hundreds, even thousands to get a substantial amount of oil from them. And because of this, each drop of coriander oil is packed with tons of health-promoting nutrients. Now there's new research that shows that coriander seed oil may also be able to boost the good stuff your gut absorbs, specifically the omega-3s. New studies have revealed that by feeding fish coriander seed oil every day, researchers were able to boost the amount of omega-3 fat that their bellies could absorb and convert. Imagine what that could do for you without changing your diet. It's so easy. Unfortunately, this oil isn't so easy to find. There are only a handful of companies in the entire world that make it, and when it comes to finding a high-quality version of coriander oil rich with all the benefits, there are even fewer options. Luckily, Activation Products makes the best pressed coriander oil in the world. It's perfectly pressed from thousands of the most potent organic coriander seeds in the world, Russian coriander seeds. Each drop of Activation's coriander oil is extracted from these superior coriander seeds very precisely and slowly without the use of heat, meaning that there is absolutely no damage to the essential fatty acids or other nutritional properties. Activation Products also uses a special armored bottle to protect all of its oils from going bad, unlike other suppliers. These Miron glass bottles protect against all UV light, which can cause rancidity. These bottles are so effective that perfectly pressed oils last for years. They seal in and protect the oil so that when you open your bottle, it's just as fresh as the day it was pressed. Every bottle of their perfectly pressed coriander oil is completely covered by a 60-day money-back guarantee. You can try it risk-free for 2 months. If you don't absolutely love it, they'll send you the full price of the bottle back. No risk, no hassle. If you've been experiencing embarrassing gas, bad breath, occasional digestive issues, cramping, changes in your mood, painful heartburn, unexplained weight gain, a foggy memory, a slow metabolism, a weakened immune system, now's the time to act. Click the button below this video to start your order and send in nature's belly-friendly reinforcements. Join the thousands of happy customers that have restored balance to their gut flora and strength to their immune system with just a few daily drops of coriander oil. Your friendly bacteria will thank you for it.